So we don't want that. That'll be the jagged looking edge that we just don't want. And again, like I said, you can see through the masking tape to where your paper is, and following the line around and bring it back to meet up with your other tape. And there you have the 9 almost completed. I've got 2 more corners to cut on this 9, and then it's done. And we're ready to move to our 8. There's that. I'm being very gentle when I'm cutting so that I'm not going into the paint deep. Just enough to cut the masking tape only. Okay. Go around all the edges of it, make sure everything's pressed down nice and tight. There you have it, a number 9. And all the outside edges of our number 8 is already done. I'll go ahead and press down all the way around that real quick. Okay, press down everything in here. And now we'll go ahead and cut the inside corners of our 8. And I kind of peel out my cuts as I go so I don't forget if I've cut it or not. Just do them all one at a time. And we only got to do this 2 more times on the one on each door now. I might have spent maybe a half an hour or so doing the layout on the paper to make our stencils. And whatever time it takes us to tape it down. You know, I think I'd rather work for 2-3 hours doing my own numbers rather than working 2-3 hours at somebody else's place of business to make enough money to pay for this. So it's more cost effective to just do it ourselves. Doing stuff like this, it's all about making your, I guess you could say your blueprint or doing your artwork, and then it becomes down to transferring your artwork from paper onto your surface. There's several ways to doing this. Sometimes a person will paint their whole car first and then they'll go back to add the lettering and artwork, which in that case you need to mask off the whole car except for where you're working. Well, we're doing it kind of a reverse way. We're done. Now we're going to move to our next color, which will be stripes, and we're going to do some shading around the back sides of the lettering and the numbers. And for now, we're going to go ahead and get our doors done now, because we're done on the roof here.